Welcome friends. Today's video we are going to see length of the longest substring program. So here if we see on the length of this string is given, and if we see ABC, so longest length of string is ABC, that is 3, and in this below one it is 1. So how we can achieve this with the Java program? Let's understand. Here I have created this length of longest substring method. That method I am calling here in math method. So I need to create one static method with the length of longest substring, and I will pass this length to that method. So let's create a method here, public static int length of longest substring, and I will pass string to this. So here I am now storing this length into the one variable, which is I will declare one variable int n equal to s dot length. So s dot length is the method of the string, and I will take some variable to store result. So int I am taking result equal to 0. Then one variable I will take to check character in the string. So for that I am declaring here int I equal to 0. And now here I am using like we can use set or set to remove duplicate, but here I am using hash map because to store the character and their indexes, this allows us to skip over duplicate character in one step rather than incrementing one character at a time. So for that I am using hash map here. Let's declare our hash map of character integer, because we are storing indexes and character, and then map equal to new hash map. Now I will iterate over this length of the string. So for that I am using one for loop here. For int j I am taking j equal to 0, j is less than our en, and j plus plus. Now here I am using a this map dot contains key, which is s dot caret. S is our string, s dot caret and index of j. So it will check if character of it is present. So initially if it check 1, then initially it will be empty. So it will this condition will be false, and it will go next condition. So further I am writing inside this some logic, which will be math dot max function I will use. Math dot max, I will explain this why I am using math dot max. It will this function will be uh, if the current character is already in the map, it means we found the duplicate as per our if map dot contains key s dot character at z, and the start index of I is updated. Then for that I am using this math dot max function to index right after previous occurrence of the current character. Means that previous character we will reassign to the this index. So for that I am using this map dot get. We will use map dot get s dot caret I, sorry, caret j we are using, j plus 1, means it will assign to the our map, and I. Then else I am adding next condition, which will be map dot put s dot caret I, sorry, caret we are using J, and our J I will pass to this. So what's happening here? Once we have declared, then we will assign result equal to, I will explain this map.put function and how it is working. Then result equal to map dot max of result, and we will pass j minus I plus 1. I will explain how it is working. So here we see map.put, what this method is doing. Map.put, it will be update the map with the current character of its index, and result will result equal to map.math result j minus I plus 1. Update the result with length of the current substring if it's longest found so far. So this will be update the longest substring equal to result, and we will return this result. Return result. Let's run our program. We will one error is showing. Let's check where it is. Map dot. Okay. I this we need to map I equal to map dot max, map dot get else dot caret j plus we are using I. So we need to close this here, and we need to close this bracket. Okay, let's run this program. We will see if we got the length of the longest one. So here output should be, like output will be 3, and here output should be 1. And this both method I am calling. So this is the most frequently asked question in any Java interview. If you go 3+ years experience, this should be sometimes in your interview, because they will ask you to find the length of the longest substring. So if we see here, we found the length of the longest substring. That's all from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the videos, because it motivates, and I will create new videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.